Yo, what's up guys, how y'all doing today? My name is Daniel, I'm your fucking investor, and welcome to another video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the day that we've all been waiting for. On this day, we are going to buy new companies. Well, actually, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm filming this video on Tuesday, and this video will be out on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. And the biggest fail is that I already bought on Monday, but I'm gonna show you what did I buy. And as you can see here, we've got $700 available, and I'm gonna buy with you another new fucking companies. By the way guys, as you can see, we beat the $8,000 mark and we are on $36,300 equity, which is fucking awesome. I can't believe it, like we are going so fucking fast guys. Here in newsfeed you can see that we are already $1,700 up, and in the last 7 days we are up by $2,400. I mean guys, we are growing so fast. I mean, that's fucking ridiculous. I hope you are growing too guys. I fucking hold all the fingers for you. I'm believing in you. But if you are kinda new and you don't know how things are working and stuff, you can always invest in me. I think that I'm gonna get like 2% when you invest in me from eToro. It doesn't cost you anything, and as you can see, we are growing. We are still growing. Next mark, fucking 40,000. I mean, I don't know how fast we can get there. In one video I said like this year I would like to hit 15 to 20% of profit. I told you that 10% profit this year is guaranteed. And as you can fucking see, in January of this year we made 6%, and in February, which is 2 days in, and we are already up 0.73 plus today's profit, which is 4%. So we are already up 10% in 2 months. Actually in 1 month and 2 fucking days. And we are going up guys, we are going up slowly but fucking steady. Alright, so let's check the history, and I'm gonna tell you what the fuck did I do. As you can see history right here, so this was yesterday, it was 1, 2, 3, 4 positions. I've sold 4 positions yesterday with total profit of $323, and when I add the money that I invested, I withdrew $2,024 plus the money that we add in the last video, which was like $600, so we had like $2,600 for investing. Let's get really quick to the positions that I've sold yesterday. As you can see, XRP I've sold for a profit of 41%. You know what's the fucking fail about this shit? I've posted yesterday around lunchtime that I'm currently 140% up, and I was like, you know, should I fucking take the money? Should I sell this position that time? But you know what? I was like, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait what these guys will actually do, because everyone was talking about the fucking time. I think it was 2:30 p.m. No, it was 2:30 p.m. Like, XRP is going to the moon, everybody's gonna invest in this shit, hold your position, hold your ground, soldiers. So I was like, alright guys, one fucking time I'm gonna believe in the people. And what happened? Well, I've lost 100%, and then I was like, if I don't withdraw it now, it's fucked. I'm gonna be in a fucking minus. So I withdrew it for 41%, which is still okay. I mean, I've invested there only like $200, because to be honest with you, I think that XRP is absolutely garbage, and all this shit that is going on around XRP now, it's just adding up. Like, they're gonna have a SEC lawsuit in this month, so there's a big chance that it can explode again and it can go to the moon again, or it will be fucking absolutely crushed and it will just end, finish, done, finito, el fin. You know what I'm saying? So this cryptocurrency is just absolutely mad. And if you invest in this shit, good luck to you. You must have a pair of fucking steel balls. And I'm holding all the fingers for you, bro. Alright, the next shit that we sold, I already told you about this position. XLK. This was a ETF, technology service ETF, and I've sold it just because it was CFD. And yeah, I'm not gonna talk about it. Like, go check the last video. I was talking exactly about all these things there, so go check it out. Link is in the description, and you will be a lot of fucking smarter. By the way, I was talking there about fucking XRP, and I was talking there about fucking Dogecoin. I predicted that shit, and I told you, if you don't withdraw the money on Sunday, withdraw your fucking money on Monday, because it's gonna be fucked. Alright, so I sold all of my positions. I've got two of them, one for 16% and one for 14%, almost 15. And the last but not least, naked. You know, I bought this position just for fun. I wanted to jump one quick trade. I hold it around 4 days. As you can see, I made 16%. Well, when I bought this position, on the second day I was actually up by 100 something percent, and I was like, oh my god, you know, that was that GME and Wall Street bets hype. So I was like, oh my god, these motherfuckers, maybe they are onto something. So I hold this position, and suddenly this shit started to dropping, and I was like, you know what, I've got better opportunities, I've got better companies where I can invest, so I fucking withdrew the money and fuck this shit. Next thing that we are looking at are the companies that I bought yesterday. So Daniel, show us what the fuck did you buy yesterday, and why the fuck, Daniel, you didn't buy on Wednesday as you told us? I think that I'm gonna buy always like 1 or 2 days before making a video, because I really don't want to wait for a video, because sometimes there is just a good opportunity when you can buy, and I don't want to miss that shit, so that's why. And if you don't want to miss it too, just click on fucking copy me, and you will buy when I buy, and you will sell when I sell. And we can make fucking fortune together. Alright guys, so first company that I bought yesterday is New Age Inc. or NBEV. Well, so what is this company? It is a consumer goods firm based in Denver, Colorado. Launched in 2010, the company sells its health-focused liquid dietary aids across the world, including in Japan, where it recently launched a CBD drink. By Yahoo Finances, the analysts are predicting 122% growth in next year. So like in this year. And in next quarter they are predicting 114% growth. Let's see if this shit will be true. They're a really small company, like market cap is only 300 millions, revenue is 248, earnings per share is minus 1.21, so by this they are kinda overvalued, and 1 year return is minus 2%. So I bought it just for like 200 bucks. This year, 2021, and actually like for future, I want to be focused more on companies like this, you know, like revolutionary companies, green companies, like solar companies, like environmentally friendly companies. So this was our first investment. Let's go to the next one. Also this one, Bed Bath and Beyond. This was kind of joke. I'm minus 14% right there. But as I said, from Naked, GME, AMC, this is actually the only one company that I think, even though now it's kinda down, now as you can see it's minus 16%, yesterday I was up. When everything was down, I was up on this shit. From these 4 companies, this is the most potential company, if I don't count the iRobot, which is also very shorted position, but I believe in this company so much. I think for a future, I think this company have a huge potential, because they are number 1 in making robot vacuums, etc, etc. Me personally, I own the vacuum, the robotic vacuum from them. So another stock, I2, I don't know how to spell this shit, I2 Bioscience Inc. I bought it yesterday, I'm already up 5%. Also a small company, even smaller, with 126 million market cap, revenue only 39 million, EPS is even lower, minus 2.2, and 1 year return is 716%. The next huge buy that we made yesterday was CNC or Cintiq Corp. Cintiq Corporation operates as a diversified multinational healthcare enterprise that provides programs and services to underinsured and uninsured individuals in the United States. And I think, guys, this might be one of the top companies for 2021, probably 2022. It depends how the economic will grow, how fast the economic will grow, and how fast the COVID vaccine will be out and we will be vaccinating people. The faster, the better for the company. Because to be honest, in America, like, there is no fucking middle class. You have poor people and you have fucking rich people. And many people have no insurance, or they are underinsured, so this would be the actual chance for the company. In 2021, 2022, maybe 2023. As you can see, I invested 1,000 bucks into this company. What research is saying is that by end of 2021 it might hit 100 bucks. The high estimated price is $94, average is 79 and low estimate is 68. And I mean, we are still in plus. Even if it will be $68, we are still in plus. So buy, hold, guys. Great company, love it. As we look on the stats, we can see market cap is $34 billion, and revenue of this company is fucking 101 million. EPS is 3.6. This company is crazy. Beta is 1. This is fucking undervalued company. You should take the opportunity that I'm showing you right here, guys, right now, and go to invest in this fucking company. Next company that I invested in was Boeing. I didn't invest in any new company after these three, so I invested in old companies. As you can see, Boeing here for $100. Yeah, so that was what I've invested in yesterday, and here we go today. We are going to invest together. If you're asking where, Daniel, where are we going to invest today? Well, guys, I've got two companies for you. One is China Everbright International and one is Country Garden, also Chinese companies. Last time I've invested most of the money into the Chinese companies because I think the Chinese market, I think that's the fucking future. So let's start with Everbright. Like, as you can see here, the company is mainly focused on banking, securities, insurance, asset management, trusts, futures, etc, etc, etc. But what I care most is that the group is involved in 93 waste energy projects, 12 food waste treatment projects, 2 landfill leached treatment projects, 2 methane to energy projects, 3 sludge treatment and disposal projects, 1 fissile treatment project, and 1 fly ash landfill project, with a total investment of approximately 50 billion. Let's check stats first. 27.7 billion market cap, P ratio under 5, which is excellent. Again, 39 billion revenue, which is again undervalued company. EPS is 0.9. I mean, dividend yield 6%. Jesus Christ, I mean, fuck this shit. $350. There you go. Take my fucking money. Of course, fucking eToro. You know what? Fuck you, eToro. Like, this shit what you are doing with these fucking orders that I cannot put order when market is not working. And fuck you, you piece of trash shit. Alright guys, so I'm gonna invest in this company tomorrow morning when I will wake up, because at that time Chinese market should be open, so... But you already know that I invested in this shit, so doesn't matter. Next company that we have is Country Garden. Let's check the quick stats here. I mean, market cap 212 billions, revenue 520 billions, P ratio 5, and EPS almost 2. Like, what the fuck? A dividend is 6.2. I mean, guys, Jesus Christ. My battery is low, so let's check this shit fast. This company operates in green, ecological and smart cities. Country Garden Holdings has more than 700 residential, commercial and urban construction projects globally, serving more than 3 million property owners. So what I like about this company is, as I told you, it builds green, environmentally friendly cities. So that's why we are going to invest another 300. Actually, I cannot fucking invest in this shit, I forgot. Alright guys, so these are the two companies that I am going to invest next morning in. Yeah, so that's gonna be all for today's video, because I've spent $700. I will spend $700, of course. 350 to Garden, Country, and 350 to the other fucking company. I don't know even the fucking name. Yeah guys, so as you can see, my battery is fucking low, so I'm gonna be fucking fast with you. If you would like to make some money, guys, you don't want to learn about this shit, learn about stocks, or you don't have time for it, you can invest the money on my account. We will create together a new so-called hedge fund, and we can invest together. We will have the power together, you know, we can move the market, etc, etc. So yeah guys, this is all for today's video. Next video is going to be out on Friday, and I'm gonna tell you what I should tell you today actually, and that was how you can open just some of the positions from portfolio when you are copying someone. So how you can open just a few or just some picked positions from a portfolio. Hit that like button, guys. Let me know down in comments what would you like to see. Check out my Instagram, give me a follow there. I'm putting out there daily content about stock market, So good luck, guys. Don't get fooled by fucking trends, and peace.